Is the Dr. Mamaearth Vitamin C Sunscreen actually protecting your skin, or is it just clever marketing? Let's dive deep in this quick review to see if this popular sunscreen lives up to the hype. First, let's look at the ingredients list. The active sunscreen ingredients should be clearly listed. Check for ingredients like zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, avobenzone or octinoxate. This one has these ingredients. Vitamin C and turmeric are beneficial antioxidants, but they shouldn't be your primary source of sun protection. Next, application and protection. It's crucial to apply enough sunscreen, about a half teaspoon for your face and neck. Make sure to rub it in evenly. You can use UV camera for best results as a guide to see where you have full coverage. Now, let's talk about the feel. This sunscreen has a slightly dewy finish, absorbs quickly, and feels lightweight. I noticed a slight white cast that faded after a few minutes, with no irritation. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. This is a must for any sunscreen to maintain effective protection. Overall, the Dr. Mamaearth Vitamin C Sunscreen offers decent protection with added antioxidant benefits. Is it a scam? Not entirely, if used correctly and reapplied. Make sure it suits your needs and remember to always check the ingredients.